Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about how to make a programmable voice call by using Twilio with Spring Boot microservice application. For this demo, I already downloaded the Gradle project from the Spring Initializer website and imported that Gradle project into my Eclipse. Okay, look at here. So this is the build.gradle file. I added the Twilio dependency in the build.gradle file. So this is the main class file. So look at here, at the Spring Boot application annotation is added here. So this is the main class file. So just make sure this point, this is the important thing when you make a voice call by using Twilio. If you want to make a voice call, you have to provide a voice note for that call. Okay. Then receiver, while receiving a call, when they receiving a call, they can hear that voice note. So this is the important thing. Before making a call to particular number, you have to add the voice note for your call. Otherwise you will receive the default call from Twilio, default voice note. So the first step, we need to create we need to make a voice note for your call, for a call. Okay, now I will explain about how to make a voice call, the voice note, okay, for this call. So I am adding the request mapping annotation here. Here what I am going to do, I am going to write a new REST endpoint that will return the XML string. That XML string belongs to the voice note of our call. What are the things we given, what are the messages we given in the voice note, that will convert the into speech, text into speech by Twilio. Okay, so look at here. So I added the new REST endpoint as voice note, and then the method should be post. This is the important thing, the method should be post always. And then this API is returning a response entity object. The method name I am giving get voice note. Okay, just I am importing all the necessary packages. The media type should be the application XML value, and then I am importing the response entity object. I think the producer's media type is, I did mistake. Okay, application XML value. So this is the media type. So this is the very important thing. The method should be post, and then the voice response should be XML. Okay, create a say builder to define your text, and then you can define your voice, maybe the main voice or woman voice, and then you can specify the languages. Here in this demo I am specifying the English US language. Okay, so the say builder is used to convert your text into speech. Here I am just adding the message like your OTP is, and then the OTP I am defining the simple string variable. Okay, so when you receiving a call from the Twilio, so you will receive, you can hear this text into speech. Your OTP is like 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the voice response object. We need to give the say object for the voice response builder. So once the say builder and voice response builder is created successfully, you can send the response XML in the REST endpoint response. Okay, the voice response XML you can send to the REST endpoint response. It should be throws a Twilio ML exception. TWIML exception, the spelling. So we completed the voice note for the call. Okay, now I am going to write another one REST endpoint to make a call. So for this we need to provide the from number, to number, and then the Twilio authentication ID, and then the account ID, everything you need to provide here. Here I am writing another one REST endpoint. The URL is /calls, and then the request method I am giving post. For this REST endpoint you can give anything. It's like a get method or post method, anything. Now I am trying to give the post method in this demo. This method also will return the response entity object. The method name I am giving make call. Okay, so here I am adding my Twilio account ID and then the auth ID. I am declaring into the static variable, the final static variable. When you got the account from the Twilio, after you log in into the Twilio account, you can see your account SID and the auth token in the console dashboard. That account ID, auth ID you should provide here. Okay, and then you have to create a object for the Twilio REST client. Twilio REST client object is used to build the account for your respective account ID, and then you have to provide the to number and from number. So who is making a call and then who will receive a call. Okay, that phone number object you need to define to make a call to the particular number. So this is the to number I am giving, and then the from number. The from number should be your Twilio number. After you log in or after you got the account from the Twilio, Twilio will provide a phone number for you. So you can see your phone number under the manage number section. So this is the from number. So this number you have to use in the from number phone field, from number field. So this is my Twilio number. So yeah, everyone will get a Twilio number, so you can use that number. And then this is the to number. This is the trial account, right? So before you sending a message or making a call, you should verify the phone number. So I already verified my two numbers in the Twilio account. One of the number I am giving here to make a call. Okay, so we define the to number and from number, and then the URI path we need to provide. Where's the text message is there to add the voice note for your call. Okay, it should be the voice note API we have written. Okay, but the URI method, the URI create method will accept only the application deployed in any one of the server. Okay, so already I developed a Twilio application and deployed in the app engine. It will return the response object. Okay, so it is must. So I already deployed. So in this demo I am going to use, when you developing an application, so you develop that and deployed into the any one of the domain or any one of the app engine in GCP or AWS, and then you can provide that URI here. So I'm going to explain everything in a local machine. So the URI I'm giving already application as deployed in my GCP app engine. But the same thing we written the voice note, right? The same thing we followed that. I followed that. And then the call creator method is used to create a call with the specified arguments, the to number, from number, and then the URI we need to provide, and then REST client object we need to give, the Twilio REST client. So it will make a call. So once everything is done, I am adding the response entity to return the REST endpoint response. Call has initiated successfully, and then the call SID is that particular call SID will print. Will send it in the response. Okay. So note that voice note API should be deployed in any one of the domain. Any one of the app engine or GCP or AWS. It should be deployed in somewhere, so that while calling or while making a call, the Twilio will convert the text into speech from that API. So that voice note API should be deployed in any one of the domain that can be accessed by Twilio while making the call. So this is the very important point when you making a call. Okay. In this demo, I just show you how to make a voice note or how to create a voice note. But if you want to really use that voice note, you have to deploy your application. Deploy your voice note API should be in any one of the domain. Okay. So here in this demo, I deploy the voice note API in my GCP app engine. So this is my voice note API. The voice note API contains the above voice note API we written, right? The same thing. But it should be deployed in anywhere. I am running the application in my local host, right? So that's why I use my GCP API. Now I'm going to take a build of this application. Take a build by using the command gradle clean build. It will take a build now. So once the build is successful, go to the build and libs directory, run the jar file by using the command java-jar. Okay, application is starting now. Once the application is started on the Tomcat port 8080, you can hit the API to make a call. Okay, before that I want to show you the REST endpoint I deployed in the GCP. It will return the voice note. So this is the voice note deployed in my GCP engine. So here I am giving my local host voice note. Okay, because if you provide the local host, it will not accept, because when you're making a call, the Twilio will use that voice note. Okay, so something wrong here. It's returning a 404. I think I given the correct URL, the voice note. I think it's correct. I'm hitting the send API again. Okay, 404. I think I did not add the REST controller annotation here, so that's why the controller is not found. So I am adding the @REST controller annotation now. @REST controller annotation is added because we are writing a REST endpoint, right? We need to add the @REST controller annotation of the class file. We missed that, I think. So that's why it's showing the API is not found, 404. Again, I am taking the build with the same command gradle clean build. Okay, build is successful. Now run the jar file under the build and libs directory. Okay, application is starting now. Okay, application is started. Look at it, Tomcat started on the port 8080. Now go and run, hit the API. Now I am going to hit that API voice note. Okay, it is returning the text. This is the same voice note API already deployed in my GCP engine. That GCP engine I am giving this demo while making a call. So this is my API engine. The API deployed in the app engine. Okay. So this is the point you have to give. This is the path where the location, the URI location you have to give here. Now I am going to make a call to my mobile by using the REST endpoint. If I hit this API, call will initiate to my number. Okay, get method is not supported. I think I used post method. Okay, the post method I used. Go to the postman and it changed the method name. I mean the HTTP method name, post. So if I click send button, so you will receive a response like the call has initiated successfully, and then the call SID is this is. So look at here, I received a call from the Twilio. So look at here. So after you attend this call, from the initial you will get the note message from the Twilio. It's like a trial account or something. After that, you press any keys, you will receive the response. I mean you can hear the speech, what are the text you have given in the voice note. Okay, so this is the text message converted into the speech after you press the button or any button in the call. So here I am using the OTP 34678. So I received the note like your OTP is 345678, like that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.